And today we have some really exciting, fun stuff in store for you. Of course, starting with the introduction of my amazing partners in crime, which I'm pretty sure all of you would love to see, these two hot hunks together. And I've had the most amazing time shooting with them. We've gone across many different locations and put this film together, and it's been a lot of hard work and fun and adventure, but we're really proud to present it to you today. And so first things first, shall we bring on stage the two hotties, my partners in crime, Junaid and Kabir. What's up, Junaid?
What's up? What's up?
What's up, Kabir?
How you doing?
I'm Ishika,
First,
in case
Kabir.
you forgot.
how do you feel? Because we discussed this so much while shooting this film that we're putting in so many days, and you said मेहनत का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है. What do you feel?
I think we leave that to the audience to see the trailer, but the experience was absolutely fantastic, and there's someone who's really responsible for this amazing experience.
Yes.
Someone who's probably his brother, but my brother too. So I'm going to call him on stage.
My brother too.
Okay, your brother. And he's not only a brother but a dear friend. Rohit, come on, Rohit, the director of the film.
Ladies and gentlemen, media, persons of the media, thank you all for being here. It's wonderful to be back after so long, to be associated with this fabulous team. We've all gathered here to see the first promo of Dishum, so let's not delay it. Sajid bhai?
Yeah. Let's start the
Let's
promo
start.
and then we'll be back.
हाय जॉन वरुण बेहतरीन ट्रेलर मज़ा आया कॉन्सेप्ट भी काफ़ी यूनिक सा लगा शूटिंग के दौरान कई खबरें आई थी लाइक कि कभी आपको इंजरी हो रही है कभी जॉन सर को इंजरी तो वो दौर क्या था और उस दौर के बाद जब ये ट्रेलर आप देखते हैं तो हाउ यू बोथ फील
वो जो दौर था दौड़ने के वक्त हुआ था जो मेरे भाई है एक शॉट था जो गाड़ी के ऊपर जंप करना था मुझे और इट वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 38 to 40 degrees and we were not getting the perfect take and he's quite a perfectionist and we kept doing it again and again and I think while jumping over the car my finger got stuck between the bonnet of the car and the other दूसरा हिस्सा है and it was very hot as well and because of that pain I think I got a heat stroke and I don't think I fainted but he claims
fainted.
he claims that I
काइंड ऑफ बेहोश हो गए थे टेक्निकली मतलब कुछ 30 सेकंड के लिए बट जो कमाल की बात है कि वरुण इस पिक्चर में चॉपर से भी लटके एज यू सॉ बट तब उन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ था लेकिन जंपिंग ओवर दिस कार
क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे सामने जॉन थे तो मुझे लगा कि चॉपर को कुछ हो जाए तो ठीक है कुछ और हो जाए तो मैं जॉन को पकड़ लूंगा तो ठीक है तो बच जाऊंगा
जॉन सर अगर आप
I think we had a lot of fun, great action, or I think the action sequences are very large in the film. It's a huge scale film, really huge.
Yeah, it was that immediate actually. You know, it's Sajid Bhai's instincts which are so strong, and he's always so decisive that it just gives me a lot of confidence. And it was just his reaction to the basic story that pushed me to just get on board and start writing it, and it just gave me a lot of energy and drive.
I think John
I think just all of us coming together is fantastic. With Sajid, it's my second film. And I think for me, at least, he's grown more as a friend. And I can confidently say I'm really close to him today. Rohit is like my little brother. So it's after Desi Boys, I'm coming back with him. Varun and I, जो आपको दिख रहा था screen on the screen, we're the same off the screen. Our chemistry is absolutely fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And Jackie, of course, I've worked with her before. I'm working with her again. She's a sweetheart. Akshay, I mean, I've been a huge fan of Akshay. So the fact that he's in this film means so much to me personally. I think he's a fantastic actor. And the team, Miros, Nandu here, we're a good team together. So it just feels very nice to be on this film. It's very special. And it comes from our heart. We're not forcing a line here. It all comes from the heart.
Yeah.
For me honestly it is super emotional he is my brother and he is my hero in real life and I even remember when Desi Boys had released I went to every theatre try to find out what the audience reaction, and it's different. It's different from my film releasing. It's different from my father's film releasing or a friend's film releasing. I can't really put it in words how it feels when your own blood like gives his life to make something special. And honestly, I feel there's one person needed who has to be very obsessive when he's making a film, who has to give it his all. He either goes in all or nothing, and that was Rohit. And I'm proud that his madness has made this film work, and that's what you see on screen. It's all him.
It is.
One question.
I've paid
I want
Varun to
ask
say all
Akshay.
that.
One question I want to ask Mr. Khanna. Why you make your fans wait so much to see you on the screen? A long gap.
I had
we really
some.
miss you.
Thank you. I had some personal issues which I had to sort out, so I couldn't work for a while. But I'm thrilled to be back with this film and a couple of more films this year. And you were talking about why everybody did the film. I think for me, besides for many other reasons, which a lot of them are standing here, but I think just the one line of the film is so fresh. As even just 36 hours before a India-Pakistan final, a major Indian cricket player gets kidnapped. I mean, just that simple one-liner is so interesting and so fresh. And the fact that I kidnap him makes it even nicer. So that's the reason I was so interested in the film in the first place.
Thank you for coming back.
Yeah, my question is to John. John, you are a non-smoker in real life, and your character is like promoting smoking in this movie. So was it the character as this characteristics which is very important for the movie, was smoking?
Yeah, good question. So I asked Rohit the same thing. I said, I'm a non-smoker and I'm smoking in the film. He said the character is very important. He's saying character comes first and this is your character. You've got to play the character. So this is something that goes out to the audience. We're not encouraging smoking in this film, very clearly, but it's his character. He's a chain smoker, and there are a lot of scenes in the film that are very relevant to his smoking in the film, which is why, and I think there are fantastic scenes with cigarette. Rohit, you want to stress on that?
Yeah, and he's even in the trailer, if you hear there's a female voice that tells him, "Mat piyo, it's killing you." So the film doesn't endorse smoking at all. There are constantly characters around him who are telling him to just stop the stick, but he's a nicotine addict, he's a cop, thoda sa sanki hai picture mein, and this is where he gets his fix from.
Hi, Jacqueline. Hi. Priyanka, you're from India Films.
Hi.
Hi. You're looking stunning today.
Thank you.
Okay. So, we have seen the boys do a lot of action in the film. And, a few of your glimpses are as well seen in the film.
Yeah.
So, is there more to it on the action front from your side?
Well, actually, I was just happy to be part because there is so much action in the film concerning the boys. There's a full chase, there's a full adventure happening in the locations and stuff as well. And I was actually part of that. So I was part of that chase with them. So whatever they were going through, whatever they were running from and trying to achieve, I was part of that. And yeah, it was a crazy adventure.
It was crazy.
It was. I mean, like I said, we got to witness those animals in real life. We got to, that entire bike that you see, that entire sequence was off a cliff, So I'm not saying I'm like beating and bashing up anyone, but just to be part of that to me also is a huge high octane action, So to be part of that was amazing.
So, did you enjoy yourself in that process?
Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, like very,
She
very...
got a swollen knee doing Zumba. That's true.
I used to make them, when we were shooting in Morocco, I used to make them, including John, do Zumba after shoot. So I did get a swollen knee, actually. It wasn't from the action, sadly, but it was from Zumba. Thank you, Varun, for sharing that with everyone.
ये डिशुम मतलब क्या है इस पूरी पिक्चर में कुछ कनेक्शन है?
So बहुत connection है.
क्या?
Dishum, I think पुराने films. I think more than me, I don't think I should answer this question. I think let him only. Why did we call it Dishum?
Dishum जो word है, I think at least हमारे देश में, India में, before you say मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी, बच्चा डिशुम बोलता है. मतलब बच्चा या कहीं भी हो, of any age, any strata of society, it's the first word that usually a child utters while he's playing with his toys and just beating them up himself. So I just feel ये action genre जो होता है, there's no better word to describe it in our country. Dishum just means punch, and whether it's a line, a punch line, or it's someone hitting each other, or it's a chopper or a bike or a speedboat, जिस बात में वो थोड़ी punch हो, it's just that means Dishum for me. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.